So in differential calculus, kabalo na ta how to get the derivatives. So for example, d over dx, or derivative of x cubed, is equals to 3x squared. Derivative of x cubed plus 1 is 3x squared yapon. Derivative of x cubed plus pi is 3x squared yapon. So meaning, the derivative of x cubed plus constant is equals to 3x squared. So aside sa derivatives, napod tayo ginatawag na antiderivatives. So basically, it is the opposite of derivatives. So, mabali ang process. For example, what is the antiderivative of 3x squared? So, ani? What is the antiderivative? So, imong answer is x cubed. But, as you can see, 3x squared yapon ang answer ani. So, pwede po x cubed plus 1. Similar sa kaning third, x cubed plus pi. So, meaning, ang answer sa antiderivative of 3x squared is basically x cubed plus any constant c, or c. I-denote na to ang constant as c. So, this is the antiderivative of 3x squared. In writing antiderivative, we use this symbol, or elongated na s. So, what is the antiderivative of 3x squared dx? And lagi na dx permitted if x ng variable. If sa x ni mo kwaon ang antiderivative. So, this is equals to x cubed plus c. So, this alone, kaninga part, is basically the indefinite integral. So, indefinite integral of 3x squared. So, kung line na to pagkaingon, so it is the antiderivative of 3x squared.